Hi, today we'll be doing a special recipe, egg millet pilaf. Millets is a whole grain with a good quantity of antioxidants and nutrients. It is naturally gluten-free, have low glycemic index, which makes it a good food for people suffering from different lifestyle diseases. Today we will be making a recipe for two. For this we need 1 cup of Kodo millet. We have to wash it thoroughly to remove the dust and dirt particles. Drain it and then we keep aside. Since it is a low carbohydrate food and it contains a larger amount of fiber, it helps in better digestion. For the recipe we need 2 medium onions, 1 tomato and a few cloves of garlic. You have to chop all this and keep it aside. You can use capsicum. We have used about 1/3 of a capsicum. You can use carrots as the case may be. For every 1 cup of millet we need 2 cups of water, that is double the quantity of water. You can add both of them together, season it with salt and keep it for boiling. Once the water is completely boiled and the millet will be usually done. Onto another pan, add some oil and add the onions which we have cut lengthwise. This is for the brown onions which will be used as a garnish. It also adds a special type of flavor to the pilaf. Now, the browning of the onions will take some time. By the time we have to see whether the millet is cooked. We should not overcook, then it will become mushy and cannot be used for making pilaf. Once the onions are golden brown in color, you can remove it, otherwise it will be burned. Then we cannot be used for garnishing. Once it is golden, remove it and keep it, and to the same oil you can add chopped garlic. Fry it for some 2 to 3 minutes till the raw flavor of the garlic is gone. To that we add the chopped onions and we have to saute it for some time till a translucent color is reached. For seasoning, you can add salt at this stage. Saute it well and see that your onions are cooked through and you get a light color. Once it gets a light color, you can add chili flakes. Green chilies can also be added, but I have found that dry chili flakes adds a better flavor to it. You can add the tomato at this stage and cook it very nicely till the oil seeps out. To that you can add 1 pinch of turmeric. And after adding the turmeric and sauteing it, you can add 2 eggs. You can mash it very nicely and mix it well with the cooked mixture. You should see that the egg is very nicely cooked through. Once the egg is nicely cooked through, you can add garam masala. Garam masala is a special spice mix which we use in Indian cooking. Once the garam masala is mixed through, you can add the vegetables of your choice, capsicum, carrots, beans, green peas, as the case may be. After that, when the vegetables are cooked through, you can add the boiled millets and you can mix very thoroughly so that all the masala mixes together with the pilaf. Finally, you can add some sprigs of coriander leaves to give a flavor to it. Garnish it with the browned onions or fried onions and mix it well. Your dish is ready. You can have it with yogurt, pickles, chutneys, salsas according to your choice. Thank you for viewing our video. Please like and subscribe. God be with you. God bless.